wished your Temu hauls could be even cheaper or even totally free? Today, we're diving deep into how you can unlock hidden discounts and even earn credits on Temu, turning your shopping spree into a smart savings mission. First up, the power of sharing. Temu's referral program is your golden ticket when you invite friends to download and shop on Temu using your unique link. Both you and your friend get rewarded. To get your referral link, simply open the Temu app, find the Refer and Earn or Invite Friends section, usually accessible from your profile or a prominent banner, and share your personal code or link through social media, text messages, or email. The more friends you bring in who make a purchase, the more credits you can accumulate, directly reducing your next order's cost. But it doesn't stop there. Temu constantly runs exciting promotions and special offers. Keep an eye out for these. Often, new users are greeted with sign-up bonuses or first purchase discounts. Existing users can often benefit from daily check-ins, spin-to-win games, or participating in polls and surveys within the app. These small actions can add up to significant savings on your desired items. Sometimes, these offers are applied automatically at checkout, or you'll need to manually claim coupons from a dedicated coupon center within the app. Explore the Earn or Rewards tab regularly. You might find opportunities to earn credits by completing simple tasks like browsing products, watching short promotional videos, or even participating in limited-time events. By consistently leveraging these referral programs and diving into Temu's promotions, you can significantly cut down your expenses and potentially snag some fantastic items for free, making your Temu shopping experience even more rewarding. Happy saving!